I hope you will be fine. Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is car insurance in United States. How much is car insurance in USA? How much does car insurance cost? The average cost of full coverage insurance is 2008 per year or $167 per month. Well, minimum liability coverage average $627 per year or $52 per month. However, what you pay for auto insurance coverage varies based on your personal rating factors. How much is car insurance in US per month? The national average cost of car insurance is 2148 per year according to NordWallet's 2023 rate analysis that works out to an average car insurance cost of about $179 per month. What is full coverage insurance? Remember, full coverage is not an actual type of coverage but a general term used to describe a policy that combines liability, comprehensive, and collision coverage. What is auto insurance? Understand your car insurance and what it covers. Auto insurance in this article. Understanding auto insurance, the basics, who is covered by auto insurance and under what circumstances is auto insurance coverage mandatory, what other types of auto insurance coverage are typical, what is gap insurance and do I need it? Share this basic. Personal auto insurance is mandated by most states and provides you with some financial protection in case of an accident. But is it enough? What are the options? Learn how car insurance works and what types of coverage are available. Understanding auto insurance, the basics. Auto insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company that protects you against financial loss in the event of an accident or theft. In exchange for your paying a premium, the insurance company agrees to pay your losses as outlined in your policy. Auto insurance provides coverage for property such as damage to or theft of your car, liability, your legal responsibility to others for bodily injury or property damage, medical, the cost of treating injuries, rehabilitation, and sometimes lost wages and funeral expenses. Basic. Personal auto insurance is mandated by most USA states and laws vary. Auto insurance coverage are priced individually to let you customize coverage amounts to suit your exact needs and budget. Policies are generally issued for some 6 month or 1 year time frames and are renewable. The insurance company sends a notice what its name a time to renew the policy and pay your premium. Who is covered by my auto insurance and under what circumstances? Your auto policy will cover you and other family members on your policy, whether driving your car or someone else's car with their permission. Your policy also provides coverage if someone who is not on your policy is driving your car with your consent. Your personal auto policy only covers personal driving, whether you are commuting to work, running errands, or taking a trip. It will not provide coverage if you use your car for commercial purposes. For instance, if you deliver pizzas. Thank you.